Are you having issues connecting your PS5 to the Wi-Fi internet? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check PlayStation network status. When you are having issues connecting your PS5 to the Wi-Fi internet, check the PSN status. If the PSN server is down, then also you can get such issues. To do that, visit the PlayStation network status page. Confirm if PSN services are active and not undergoing maintenance. If the service is under maintenance, wait for some time till the server is up and live again. Method 2. Restart the console. Next, you can restart the console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. To do so, press the PlayStation button on your controller. Scroll down to Power and select Turn off PS5. Wait for the PS5 to completely turn off. Unplug the power cable from the back of your PS5 for about 30 to 60 seconds. Plug the power cable back in and turn on your PS5. Method 3. Restart router and modem. The next thing you can do is restart the router or modem. To do that, turn off your router and modem. Wait at least 5 minutes. Turn them back on. Now check if that could resolve the issue. Method 4. Position the device properly. To optimize your PS5's performance and ensure a stable connection, thoughtful placement is key. Position your PS5 as close to your router as you can, minimizing signal travel distance and potential connectivity issues. Clear any obstacles between your PS5 and the router. Remove physical barriers like walls, furniture, or other electronic devices that might interfere with the signal strength. By strategically placing your PS5 and eliminating obstructions, you will enjoy a more stable and robust connection, enhancing your gaming experience. Method 5. Choose a wired connection. If you have an option, connect your PlayStation 5 to your router using an Ethernet cable. Wired connections provide a more stable and reliable connection compared to Wi-Fi. Additionally, Ethernet connections generally offer faster and more consistent speeds. Method 6. Change the DNS settings on your PS5. The next thing you can do is change the DNS settings. To do that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select Set up Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to Options and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS Settings. Select it and set it to Manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 7. Check for router firmware updates. The next thing you can do is contact your service provider and ask for a router firmware update. Due to outdated router firmware, you can have connectivity issues. So contact the service provider to update the firmware and see if that helps. Method 8. Forget the network and re-add it. Next, try forgetting the network and then re-adding it. This can resolve temporary connectivity issues. Here is how. Open your PS5 settings, select Network, then go to Settings under the Network section. Choose Set up Internet Connection. Select your connected network, then go to Options and choose the Forget option. Wait for a few minutes before reconnecting. You will need to enter your network password again. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are having issues connecting your PS5 to a Wi-Fi network. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solve your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.